Good morning, students. After summer vacation, welcome in our virtual classes. In previous classes, we already discussed the statement of the theorem of this chapter. The statement of the theorem of chapter 15 is the statement is the tangent to a circle is perpendicular to perpendicular sorry the tangent to a circle. What is the tangent? The tangent to a circle at at any point is perpendicular to the radius passes through in a circle. There are infinitely many radius. In this tangent is perpendicular to a particular radius. Though particular radius, now this radius is passes through a point of contact. The statement, the proof is already done in previous class. This is a circle whose center is that point. Now this is a tangent. Now AB is a tangent at the point P. Now the AB is perpendicular to the radius passes through the point of contact. Here P is the point of contact. So here O is the center and OP is a radius. So according to theorem, tangent and radius are perpendicular. This is the theorem. The proof of the theorem is already done in previous class. Today we will discuss some application of this chapter. Chapter 15.1, page number 209. Question number 1 and 2 are already done. Now we will do question number 3. First I read the question. I drew a circle having PR as a diameter and I draw a tangent at the point P and a point S is taken on the tangent of circle in such a way that PR equals to PS if RS intersect the circle at the point P. Let us prove that ST equals to RT equals to PT. Now this is the figure. This is a circle with center at O and PR is a diameter. Obviously PR passing through the point O, and here this line is a tangent at the point P. This line is a tangent at the point P. We're taking S is a point on the tangent in such a way that PR equals to PS. PR equals to PS and the RS intersect the circle at the point T. Given, we write given PR is a diameter of a circle with center at O. S is a point. S is a point. S is a point on a tangent on the tangent at P in such a way that PR equals to PS. The line RS intersect the circle at T. Required to prove ST equals to PT equals to RT. ST equals to PT equals to RT. Proof. We know that OP and PS, OP is a radius and PS is a tangent. So this is radius and tangent are perpendicular. So this angle is 90 degree. In the triangle PSR, now angle RPS equals to 90 degree. Why? Now RP is perpendicular to PS. Radius and tangent are perpendicular. So therefore, in triangle PRS is a triangle. PR equals to PS. PR equals to PS. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle PSR plus angle PRS equals to 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. So therefore sum of other two, sorry, these two angles are equal because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. PR equals to PS, PR equals to PS. Therefore these two angles, the opposite angle of the equal sides are equal. So angle PSR equals to angle PRS. These two angles are equal, but sum of these two angles PSR plus angle PRS equals to 180 degree minus this angle is 90. So 180 minus 90, this is equal to 90 degree. So therefore, these two angles, angle PSR equals to angle PRS equals to 45 degree. These two angles are equal and sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So therefore each angle is 45 degree. Therefore this angle is 45. This angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Now required a construction. O and T are joined. Write here construction after RTP. O, T are joined. So this angle is 45. You see the figure. OR and OT both are radii of the same circle. So OR equals to OT. So therefore these two angles, this angle and this angle are equal. So therefore this is 45. Therefore this angle is 45 degree. In the triangle ORT, these two angles 45 and 45. Therefore this angle must be 90 degree. So therefore this angle must be 90 degree. And in the triangle OPT, OP and OT both are radii of the same circle. So therefore these two angles are equal. So therefore this is 45 and this is 45 degree. So therefore whole angle is 90. So this is 45. Therefore this angle is 45 degree. This angle is 90. Therefore remaining angle is, this is 90 degree. Automatically this is already 45. So from the figure you write in your copy with logic. From the figure we see that in the triangle in the triangle in the triangle PTR, angle TPR equals to 45, and also angle PRT equals to 45. So therefore these two angles are equal. Therefore the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So therefore PT equals to RT. Also in triangle PTS, angle TPS equals to angle PST equals to 45 degree. Therefore the opposite sides are equal. So therefore PT equals to ST. So therefore PT ST equals to PT equals to RT. Proved. Okay. Go on next problem. Problem number 4. Next, problem number 4. We read the question. Two radii OA and OB of a circle with center O are perpendicular to each other. If two tangents drawn at the point A and B intersect each other at the point T, let us prove that AB equals to OT and they bisect each other at a right angle. Okay. Now we draw the figure. Here this is a circle with center at O, and OA and OB both are radii of the same circle, and these two lines segment are perpendicular. And this line is a tangent at the point A, and this line is a tangent at the point B. Both tangents are intersect at the point P. Here we prove that required to prove is OT equals to AB, and this is number 1, and number 2, AB and OT are bisect each other perpendicularly. Bisect each other perpendicularly. Now proof. OA is a radius and AT is a tangent at the point A. So therefore TA is perpendicular to AO. Logic is radius and tangent are perpendicular. Also, given BO is perpendicular to AO. BO is perpendicular to AO. This is given. These two line segments both are perpendicular to AO. So therefore, these two line segments TA is parallel to BO. This is number 1. Also, TB TB is perpendicular to BO. TB is perpendicular to BO. Radius and tangent are perpendicular. Also AO is perpendicular to BO. This is given. TB is perpendicular to BO and AO is perpendicular to BO. So therefore TB is parallel to AO. This is number 2. So from 1 and 2, AOBT is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, pair of opposite sides are parallel. TA parallel to BO and TB parallel to AO. TA parallel to BO and TB parallel to AO. So therefore, AOBT is a parallelogram. AOBT is a parallelogram. This is not a parallelogram, this is a rectangle. Because one angle is 90 degree, is a rectangle. In a rectangle also AO equals to BO, both are radii of the same circle. So in a rectangle, two adjacent sides are equal. So therefore AOBT is a square. And we know in a square two diagonals are equal. Here TO and AB are two diagonals. So therefore AB equals to TO. Right? In a bracket logic. Now, in a square two diagonals are two diagonals are equal. Also in a square two diagonals are bisect. Also two diagonals AB and TO are bisect each other perpendicularly. Now, in a rhombus, two diagonals are bisect each other. So therefore, in a square is also a rhombus. So in a square, two diagonals are bisect each other perpendicularly. Prove. Copy this. Next, we will do number 8. First, I read the question. Number 8. Rumela drew a circle with center O, of which QR is a chord. Two tangents drawn at the point Q and R intersect each other at the point P. If QM is a diameter, let us prove that angle QPR equals to twice of angle RQM. So let us draw the figure. So now the figure is QR is a chord. Two tangents at the point Q and R intersect at P, and QM is a diameter. Here we prove that angle QPR equals to twice of angle RQM. Now we construct R O and R are joined. Construction. O and R are joined. Proof. Angle OQP equals to 90 degree and angle ORP equals to 90 degree, because radius and tangent are perpendicular. OQ is radius and QP is a tangent. OR is a radius, RP is a tangent. So both angles are 90 degree because radius and tangent are perpendicular. Radius and tangent are perpendicular. So therefore, in quadrilateral PROQ, sum of angle OQP plus angle ORP equals to 90 degree plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Then in this quadrilateral, sum of two opposite angles, sum of these two opposite angles are supplementary. So therefore PROQ is a cyclic quadrilateral, and we know in a cyclic quadrilaterals sum of two opposite angles are supplementary. So therefore angle QPR plus angle QOR equals to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degree. This is called it number 1. Again, in triangle OQR, sum of three angles, angle OQR plus angle ORQ plus angle QOR equals to 180 degree. Also, OQ and OR both are radii, so therefore these two angles are equal. So in place of ORQ equals to write OQR plus angle OQR plus angle QOR equals to 180 degree. Logic is OQ equals to OR, which implies which implies twice of angle OQR plus QOR equals to 180 degree. Call it number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, the right hand sides of 1 and 2 both are 180 degree. So therefore left hand side must be equal. So therefore angle QPR plus angle QOR equal to twice of angle OQR plus QOR. QOR cancel both sides. So therefore angle QPR equal to twice of OQR. All right, RQM. Proved. Quick copy this. Next, question number 9. Now we read the question. Question number 9. Two chords AC and BD of a circle intersect each other at the point O. O is not a center of the circle. O is the point of intersection of two chords AC and BD. If two tangents drawn at the points A and B intersect each other at the point P, and two tangents drawn at the points C and D intersect at the point Q, let us prove that angle P plus angle Q equals to twice of angle BOC. Now we first draw the figure. Now this is a circle with center at X. AC and BD are two chords intersect at O. Two tangents at the point A and B intersect at P, and other two tangents at the point C and D intersect at Q. Here we prove that angle P plus angle Q equals to twice of angle BOC. This plus this, sum of these two angles is equals to twice of angle BOC. Construction. Here center is X. X, DX, BX and CX. This is the point O. CX are joined and D and C are also joined. Construction. AX, BX, CX, DX and B and C are joined. Proof. APBX is a quadrilateral. Angle XAP plus angle PBX equals to this angle is 90 degree plus this angle is 90 degree. Logic is XA is perpendicular to AP and XB is perpendicular to PB. So this is equals to 180 degree. So therefore in this quadrilateral sum of other two angles means angle P plus angle AXB equals to 180 degree. Also call it number 1. Also in the quadrilateral CQDX angle XDQ plus angle XCQ equals to 90 degree, this is 90 plus this is 90 degree. Logic is XD is perpendicular to DQ and XC is perpendicular to CQ. So this is equals to 180 degree. So therefore sum of other two angles, angle DXC plus angle DQC equals to 180 degree. Call it number 2. So therefore adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, angle P plus angle Q, here is angle P, here is angle Q, plus angle AXP plus angle DXC equals to 180 plus 180 degree equals to 360 degree. This is equal to 360 degree. Also, angle AXB, this is angle AXB, this angle is formed by an arc AB at the center. This angle is formed by an arc AB at the center, but this angle is formed by the same arc AB at the circumference. So in place of we write angle AXB equals to twice of ACB. So therefore implies angle P plus angle Q plus twice of angle ACB. And angle DXC is angle at center formed by the arc CD. And DBC is the angle at the circumference formed by the arc CB. So therefore, angle at center is twice of the angular circumference. So DXC equals to twice of DBC equals to 360 degree. Logic is angle at center is double at angle at double of angle at circumference. Or angle P or angle P plus angle Q plus 2 is common. Angle ACB equals to right angle OCB plus DBC equals to right angle OBC equals to 360 degree, which implies angle P plus angle Q plus twice of sum of these two angles is 180 degree minus other angle is BOC. In a triangle, OBC is a triangle, sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree minus third angle. So 180 degree minus third angle is BOC equals to 360 degree, which implies angle P plus angle Q plus 2 into 180 is 360 degree minus twice of angle BOC is equal to 360 degree. 360 is cancel both sides, which implies angle P plus angle Q equals to twice of angle BOC. Proved. Thank you. The next sums of this exercise 5, 6, 7 are homework. And any queries, the contact number is in the screen. contact me. Okay, thank you.